Hi guys, this is Selfie Girl and I am in the Lindt chocolate factory. I'm going to take a chocolate tour, but it gets super busy here, so you can't take it until your exact time. So this is the outside waiting area and we're in the reception area, and you can see the big Lindt chocolate thing, and there's elevators, and there is a cafe for coffee. Little selfie stage there for people that want to do selfies. And as you can see, they have their typical Lindt chocolate stuff in here. This is the little Lindt chocolate shop. This is where the tours begin. And this is just like a little auditorium for kids, the Lindt shop, and they have lockers over here. So you go in here, let's take a look at the shop. This is where we'll go. You cannot start your tour until your exact time, and we chose 12:30 because we didn't know how long it would take to get here. And as you can see, they have all kinds of cute little Lindt things. They have a chocolatier station here where you can buy handmade chocolates. This looks good, white chocolate with raspberries. I mean, chocolate isn't good for you, let's be honest. Sugar causes cancer, but you can write a personal message on every gift wrapped chocolate tablet for free. How cute is that? I gotta have one that says Selfie Girl. How cute is that? Oh, that's so cool. And here's your typical Lindt chocolate, which I really don't like it, to be honest with you. It's just not my kind of chocolate. But this is cool. Oh, they got the mint ones filled. They've got coconut, caramel. Wow, this is nice. It's so pretty. It actually is pretty when you mix them. So this is kind of fun. You can mix all of them. I think they're all the same on both sides, though. You bag or box it, fill it up, and personalize it at the cash register. That's nice. This one is, ooh, this is my favorite, raspberry and cream. Let's see, so basically this is it. A lot of people from China here right now. Cute little thing. Wow, this is cool. Do they have licorice? Oh no, that's dark chocolate. So they've got raspberry and cream, which I love. Mint, I love. Irish cream, yummy. Oh my God, I gotta get some of these. I wonder how expensive it is. I don't even care at this point. Raspberry and cream. That looks so good. And here I am. My hair has not seen good hair days, guys, as you can see. But I've got my nice soft little jacket on from Forever. Nice and warm. And you can see they're pretty busy. And this is Wonderful Wednesday. Now they also have the squares. All kinds. What are these? Marzipan. Marzipan. It's really cool. That's cool. Okay, so you gotta get different kinds of chocolate. Most people I know don't eat it now, because people are starting to get away from sugar. This is your Selfie Girl live on location at the Lindt Chocolate Factory. Bye.